Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Steam account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Steam account first on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened my Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in Steam like this and hit enter. And you can see the store.steampower.com over here. Click on store.steampower.com and this is the home page of Steam over here. Now to log into your Steam account from over here, you can see the login option available at the top right corner of your screen just beside the install Steam button. Click on login and now you will be required to enter your Steam account or your email address over here, and after that enter your password over here. I have already entered, or my computer has auto saved my Steam account name and my password over here. Let's click on sign in. And there guys, we have successfully signed into our Steam account on our computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.